Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Vechain price prediction in Vechain news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Vechain in 2022. Vechain Vet is a blockchain platform for logistics management. Work on the project began in 2015 and it saw the light in June 2016. Vechain aims to use distributed control technologies and the Internet of Things to create an ecosystem that solves the main problems in supply chain management. The platform uses two internal tokens, VET and VTHO, to manage and create value based on the Vechain public blockchain. The idea is to improve the efficiency, traceability and transparency of supply chains, while reducing costs and putting more control in the hands of individual users. Vechain was created by Sunny Liu, formerly the Chief Information Officer, CIO, of Louis Vuitton China. The second co-founder is Jay Zhang. He leads the global corporate structure, corporate governance and finance of Vechain. Zhang previously worked at Deloitte and PricewaterhouseCoopers in finance and risk management. So today we talk about Vechain news and price prediction. Let's start about news and first news today about technical analysis. Vechain Vet price prediction 2022. With Bitcoin, BTC, breaking out of the 2-month consolidation range, market participants are getting more confident and looking for potential altcoins. Vechain Vet has one of the largest communities in the crypto industry, which may result in the price of the coin going up rapidly, whereas other coins may roll over and fail. Therefore, in this technical analysis, we will use multiple technical indicators to find if the coin is fit for the next bull run. VetUSDT on a 1-day chart. In the VetUSDT 1-day chart, the price has been accumulating in the range of 0.06 and 0.04. After breaking the supply zone at 0.0625, it is now moving forward to break the 0.083 level. If it gets rejected here, buying at this supply zone in anticipation of a flip of the level is wise. The 0.04. After breaking the supply zone at 0.0625, it is now moving forward to break the 0.083 level. On the weekly chart, the price has been rejected at the 0.1 supply zone. Vet bulls would ideally want to see this level flipped. Vet BTC 1-day chart has been in a consistent macro downtrend for almost a year now that has been broken recently. Providing that the retest of the 160 sat supply zone sparks more buying interest, the next level of interest is 215 sats. The weekly chart shows a similar picture. However, after being rejected at 200 sats, it may test the 145 sats level. On the VetEth 1-day chart, price seems to be forming a range between 0.0002540 and 0.0001691. The price has just tested the higher level. It is likely that at some point it will return to the lower level. Enterprises achieve their low-carbon aims. The Carbon SaaS platform has recently begun operating across multiple industries including chemical, building materials, food and beverage, paper, transportation and more. It creates a number of new possible application scenarios for governments and enterprises, such as carbon footprint calculation, visualizations of a product's carbon footprint, and new financial services in carbon markets. We see many exciting applications ahead for this transformative technology. The Carbon, delivering change. The Carbon recently became available to the market. In the lead up to launch, a series of use cases were carried out to demonstrate the efficacy of its solutions. We shared some of those details below. Carbon Emission Management SaaS Platform. The Carbon Emission Management SaaS Platform has built-in compliance with China's national emission accounting methodology and modifiable preset parameters covering 24 major industries. These can be easily modified to suit any level of need or to ensure compliance with other legal jurisdictions. The software quickly performs to support community developers with the tools and tech they need to help them thrive in the future. We will soon announce the details of a hackathon designed to help provide a robust developer environment in pursuit of this goal. We also have some additional exciting initiatives underway that we are excited to share. Details will be released in the coming weeks. Vechain ready for mass adoption with our real-world ready solutions such as toolchain, battle-tested blockchain and chip technologies, close working relationships with certification and auditing giants, plus our establishment of compliance and regulatory standards both in China and Europe. Vechain is positioned as the preeminent blockchain network for the approaching wave of adoption in front of us. The addition of a stablecoin to our capabilities opens up a whole new world of options for the network. We are very excited to witness this next year play. We hope you will join us for the journey. Dodge some of the sanctions. However, this short-term strategy could become increasingly difficult to maintain, as crypto exchanges are heading towards a fork in the road which is likely to force them to either follow in the footsteps of major global financial players, or fully embrace independence from these players, Schwimmer said at a conference organized by the Futures Industry Association in Boca Raton, Florida. If that industry is seen as a bad actor. on the implementation of, or the avoidance of, sanctions in terms with what's going on with Russia. I think that would have a long-term impact in terms of how that industry is perceived, he said, as quoted by Reuters, calling it a watershed moment. Some senior industry representatives, such as crypto exchange Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong, have expressed doubts that there was a high risk of Russian oligarchs using cryptocurrencies to avoid the imposed sanctions. Because it is an open ledger, trying to sneak lots of money through crypto would be more. Vechain price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030 is what we have for you today. When we look closely at the cryptocurrency market, we feel that it is doing quite well, rather, it is doing very well. Vechain price prediction 2022 Vet has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Vechain, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of $0.073. That is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of $0.065, a minimum price of $0.063, and a maximum price of $0.073. Vechain price prediction 2023. In 2023, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Vechain will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach 11 cents in 2023. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $0.097, with a maximum price of 11 cents for 2023. Vechain price prediction 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Vechain could cross $0.16 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 14 cents. That price prediction 2025. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are confident that the long-term price forecast for VET will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2025 could end with an average bid of 21 cents and a minimum bid of 20 cents. The maximum bet is expected to be around 24 cents. That price forecast 2026. For a long-term forecast of the Vechain price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average VET price will rise to around $0.30 by 2026, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2026, the year may end with a maximum price of 35 cents with a minimum price 29 cents level. VET price prediction 2027. VET will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Vechain price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2027, the Vechain rate will be almost 40 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 50 cents. Vechain N 2027 average price prediction could be around 42 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Vechain price prediction 2028. It appears that by 2028, Vechain Vet prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2028, we can expect the average rate to be 60 cents. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Vechain's maximum price could be up to 72 cents in 2028. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market.